everybody. Welcome to Cast and Blast 406 and this beautiful, beautiful Montana winter day here, and our very much delayed 2024 upland bird season. And our culprit is that beast behind us. It definitely hindered our days in the field this year. Last year was able to get 70, this year 20. And Peggy was the ultimate victim, but we'll definitely make it up to her this upcoming season. And this thing will be worth it this summer when we're sitting on the back deck with the cold beer. But that being said, we did get some good days in, pretty much hunted around the cabin. So nothing, you know, super extravagant, no trips back east or anything. Just hung around the cabin and got a couple, you know, days here and there to appease Peggy. So that's what I've got for you. So hope you enjoy, appreciate you watching, and we'll check it at the end. Peggy, come on. Peggy, come. Nice job, Peggy. Here, Peg, come. Come. Drop. Drop. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Peggy. Good girl. All right, come on. Get it, Peg. Oh, I had to do the 180 on that one. I was twisting and shouting. Here, Peg, bring it, fetch, fetch, come, come. Right. There we go.
Oh, nice.
Peggy's on point. Right down here. Got him, Peg. Go get him. Down bird. There's a hun.
Oh, it was?
Yeah. Get him, Key. Good girl. Come, Key. Come.
Is that a girl?
Come, Key.
Is that a girl?
Good girl, Key. Oh. Right around where, right at the edge of the grass and the, oh.
That's a hand, right?
Yep. This is insane. Here, Peg, fetch.
She got it.
Peggy, fetch. Come, come, come. Come, come, come. Here, Peg, come. Good girl. Peggy. Nice job. Come here, Burrow Ives. Come here. Come. Peggy, come. Good girl. Good girl. So, hun.
Ah, shit.
Oh my God. Look at them go. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. This is insane.
With my dick in my fucking
Shot at Huns and you almost stepped on a rooster. Oh my gosh. Oh geez, there goes another one. This is nuts. Here, Peg. Peg. Peggy, come. Peg, come. Oh my gosh. Did you get him?
No.
Oh! Peggy is taking no prisoners. Peggy! 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 Down bird. Come on. Get him. Peggy, fetch. Bring it here. Come. Good girl. Drop. Here, Peg, come. Peggy, fetch, fetch. Fetch. Here, Peggy, fetch. Come. Good girl. Nice, Peggy, drop. Good job, Peggy. Did you see that? And I hit it, and he went right into the creek. Good girl, Peg. Good job. Watch our crossfire.
Yeah.
She's going nuts in here.
Come on, Biscuit, get in there.
Come on, Biscuit. Come on. Come. Right, Peg. Hey, drop. Drop. Good girl. Good girl, Peg. Wow. Oh no. Not the Hun punishment. That got me by surprise. Nice job, Peggy. Wow. That was a choke. I was expecting a pheasant, 100%. That definitely got me off my guard. Oh. Man, it flew like... No, man, it had me twisted around 180 degrees. Point blank. And gee, it's a Hun. Imagine that. On the bird, Peg. Come on. Peggy, down here. Here, Peg, come. She just ran right past it. Oh, you can kind of smell it. There she goes. Good job, Peg. Come, fetch. Good job, Peg. There's a little sharp tail. Nice job, Peggy. I got both dogs. One on point, the other one's real birdie here. Oh, there we go. Whoa. Oh. Charlie, coming at you.
Thank you.
Oh, I think it's a runner. All right, there she is. Ah, Peggy is just unbelievable. That is awesome. Nice job, Peggy. Yeah, whatever. Man, that guy got me on a 180. Nice job, Peg. Fetch, fetch, fetch. Fetch. Come, come, come. Drop, drop. Good girl. Wow. He surprised me. I had to do the 180 Clint Eastwood shot. Look at that, folks. Look at the backdrop. Rocky Mountain East Front. Golly. Love it, man. Come on, Peg, find it. Come on, Peggy. It's up here, Peggy. Come on. Peggy, come. Peggy. Come. Right here. There you go. There it is. Good girl, Peggy. Good girl, Peggy. Come here, Peg. Come. Bring it here. Fetch. Come on. Let's get it out of here. Come on. Drop. Drop. Good girl, Peg. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, that's a beautiful bird. Oh. Good girl, Peg. Good girl. Yep, get a little kiss. Good girl. All right, let's see if we can get 2 more before it gets dark. Nice job, Peggy. All right. There's our star little birdie right here. Oh, fuck. Oh, jeez. Or a little dearie. Hey everybody, welcome back. And hope you enjoyed the watered down vanilla version of our 24 season. It was a quick one, but you know, that's the way it goes. We'll definitely make it up to Peggy this upcoming season once this guy's done. And you know, it'll all be worth it when we're sitting on the back deck having a cold beer. So that being said, what's next? We have access to an unbelievable brown trout fishery through a rancher I've gotten to know through bird hunting. So that'll be the next video. And folks, you don't want to miss this one. We're going to be able to use the drone. It's just a spectacular, unbelievable fishery with just monster brown trout. So I'm real stoked to get out there and get that drone flying again. That being said, everybody, have a good winter. We'll see you in the spring. Appreciate you watching. If you've got any questions, comments, post away. Otherwise, we'll see you this spring. We'll get him, Pack Rat Hunter. Great.